Welcome back to my channel. Finally, nakakapag-vlog na din ulit. We're in Sweden already. We arrived 2 days ago. I was traveling alone with Lucas from Manila to Dubai to Stockholm. It's a very challenging travel for me, but at last, andito na din kami. Nakabalik na after 1 year and 3 months. It's very challenging, but alam mo naman na kapag kadating mo, ang dami-daming magandang mangyayari. So it's like a motivation for me to go on. Ang dami kong hirap na pinagdaanan from offload, and then nanganak ako si section, ako lang, wala si Jasper. Nalagaan ko si Lucas, nag-Manila kami habang nag-aantay ng papers na matapos. Tapos kami lang din, as in, but thankful to my friends na ginawang instrument ni God na para tumulong sa amin, especially to Dalia and Ate T. Thank you very much, Bundok sisters, yes. So yes, for today's activity, by the way, yes, the baby is here. I'm carrying him because ayaw niya kasi muna sa car seat, tapos antok siya, umiyak siya always, kaya ginanito ko na lang muna. Safety naman siya kasi hindi naman malayo yung babiyahin namin. Pupunta kaming Kovlan, magpapanta ko kasi napakadaming batos si Jasper na hindi pinan, kasi nga sabi ko hindi siya magpant hanggat hindi ako nakabalik. So yes, we're going to pant and then IKEA to buy some things for Lucas. Hi little baby. Gusto niya yung winter, guys, kasi malamig. Gusto niya yung tulog siya ng tulog. And then after that, pupunta kami sa lolo ni Lucas para ma-meet ni Lucas for the first time. I'm very excited. So stay tuned lang po kayo kung gusto niyo makita yung napakahaba ng intro ko na. Ang lagal ko kasi hindi nag-vlog. Stay tuned lang kung gusto nyo makita yung first meeting nila, video ko. Tapos yes, ilalagay ko na din dito yung mga videos ng unang meet nila ng daddy niya. Grabe, umiyak talaga ako, guys. It's very, I don't know, I can't put my feelings into words. Sa hirap ng pinagdaanan ko ilang months, tapos ngayon hindi pa nasisikin sa akin na nandito na kami ulit. So thank you guys. Stay tuned and I will keep vlogging. Yay! Kami magpanta. I've got like 300 grams something. And here we are in Vista City. There. Papa-change ng pera. Yung pera ko galing Pinas. Papa-change ko. Para magamit. And then we're going to IKEA. Lucas. Hi! So cute, like a baby, guys. Trying to find a baby section. I'm gonna buy a changing table. Now, up to the elevator. Hey, Lucas is crying because he wants to be carried. Hi. I'm gonna take this away from you. Hi. No. Oh, no.
Clone 1.
How is that, Lucas? We're here.
Here we have a casket where we can take yellow thing there.
Yes, there's a basket that I'm looking for. Oh, that's so cute toy. I bought scented candles para sa bahay. Okay. Now I'm gonna find something for the baby. You find something for the shower?
We bring food.
Huh?
We bring food.
No. He's hungry.
Maybe, I don't know.
It's in the car.
Yeah, okay.
little one.
It's this one we have. Look here.
Yes.
Almost.
It's the same actually.
Yeah.
This is the crib of Lucas. And that one, we have that at home.
Yeah.
Your mom got it. My God, umiiyak si Lucas. This one I'm talking about.
Yeah.
It's 29.
You get one?
Yes.
With get one.
Yay! We get it for Lucas. Thank you, Daddy. We got
Eating this.
don't eat the toy. Hi, you can't breathe. This one you need to. Oh, God. Good luck.
Where is the rabbit toy?
It's in here.
You're hurting me.
Yeah, play with your rabbit now. Because he likes the plastic. Yes, here. Here. Let's go.
At last. Oh my God. Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Let's see.
Hey, brother. Hey, brother, look at. Hey.
He's up so early.
Yeah. Hey.